A viral experiment had gardeners comparing two houseplants, one watered with leftover potato water, the other with rice water. Most expected rice water to win, but the potato water plant grew faster and looked greener within days. This led many to crown potato water the best. But that's only half the story. Potato water gives a quick growth boost, while rice water works differently, building long-term soil health. The real lesson: fast results don't always mean lasting success. Potato water acts like a quick meal. Rice water is more like a slow-building foundation. If you only chase instant results, you might miss out on a thriving garden in the long run. Before you use either, it's crucial to understand their unique roles. One is a direct fertilizer, the other a soil conditioner. Knowing the difference helps you make smarter choices for your plants. The goal isn't just a good-looking plant today, but a garden that thrives for years. Why does potato water spark such quick growth? It's loaded with simple starches and key nutrients, especially potassium. Think of it as a fast-acting liquid fertilizer. Plants absorb these nutrients right away. The result: lush leaves and strong stems, almost overnight. But this boost is short-lived. The nutrients are quickly used up or washed away. Potato water doesn't improve soil health. It's a quick fix, not a foundation. Relying on it is like living on energy bars. Fast fuel, but not sustainable. Use it as a supplement, not a replacement for compost or balanced fertilizer. It's best for times when plants need a quick pick-me-up, like during flowering or fruiting. Don't expect it to fix poor soil or create lasting resilience. Potato water is a sprint, not a marathon. Rice water, the cloudy liquid from rinsing rice, works differently. It's rich in starches, but these aren't direct plant food. Instead, they feed beneficial soil microbes, bacteria and fungi that power healthy soil. Pouring rice water is like feeding your soil's workforce, not the plant itself. Over time, these microbes break down organic matter, improve soil structure, and help roots access nutrients. The effects are slow but lasting: better soil texture, more resilient plants, and less need for watering or fertilizer. Rice water is a long-term investment, building a living, self-sustaining soil ecosystem. Unlike potato water's quick results, rice water's benefits grow over weeks and months. It's the secret to a low-maintenance, high-reward garden. Focus on soil biology first. Healthy plants will follow. Rice water is your marathon runner, building strength for the long haul. Many gardeners misuse these waters, expecting the wrong results. Don't use hot or salted potato water. It can harm plants. Always let it cool and use unsalted water. Apply potato water as a supplement, not a main fertilizer, and only every few weeks during active growth. With rime water, don't expect instant results or use it too often. Too much can cause mold or attract pests. The best rime water comes from rinsing uncooked rice, diluted with equal parts water. Use it no more than once a week to feed soil microbes without overwhelming them. Consistency is key. A little regularly builds a robust soil community. Rice water is great for new beds or containers needing a microbial boost. Remember, potato water is for quick results. Rice water is for long-term soil health. Use each wisely for the best garden outcomes. Using potato water strategically gives plants a timely boost. Bigger flowers, better harvests, right when it counts. But the real magic is in rice water's slow, steady improvement of your soil. Over time, you'll water less, use fewer fertilizers, and enjoy healthier, more resilient plants. A garden built on living soil is easier to care for and more productive. The debate isn't about which water is better, it's about using the right tool for the right job. Potato water is your quick fix. Rice water is your long-term investment. Know why you're using each, and you'll create a garden that's both beautiful now and sustainable for seasons to come. Fast results are exciting, but lasting health is the real reward. Choose wisely, and let your garden thrive from the roots up. That's the real secret behind the kitchen water experiment.